Hey everyone, Kevin with Electric Ease here, coming to you today with a couple of frequently asked questions, otherwise known as facts. These are questions that are asked frequently by both members of Electric Ease and of estimators in the community, and so we thought we'd clarify them here for you today. The first one we want to talk about is labor burden. What is labor burden and how is it calculated? Simply put, labor burden is cost associated with an employee. Those costs include payroll taxes, so Social Security, Medicare, state unemployment tax, and federal employment tax. And then also any benefits associated with that employee can be part of labor burden. Those would include insurance, health, dental, 401k, paid time off, holiday, vacation, sick time, and then also if you provide things like a cell phone or let your employee take home a truck. All of those can be loaded into your labor burden. Fringe, simply put, are benefits applied to an employee. So the benefit piece of burden with the cost removed. So why would you have both? Well, some companies like to factor the burden percentage separately from the fringe. So you would have a burden percentage or a burden dollar amount, and you would have a fringe percentage or a fringe dollar amount. So why even calculate these and why apply them? Well, there are a few reasons. To accurately factor your labor costs when you're bidding, to remain competitive or be competitive when you go into a bid market, and to help track your costs associated with manpower in a bid or on a project. So when should you apply labor burden or fringe? Well, in my opinion, always. If you're sending people out to do work for you, you want to have everything that costs your company calculated into each hour that employee works.